in the previous video, we introduced what we call variables and talked a little bit about strings and integers or numbers or float numbers. So in this video, I am going to introduce you to another function which is called the input function. Okay, so as I had explained to you first in the video above, on the previous video, when I explained to you that the messages that you receive, the email messages that you receive when you create an account on a certain website, they are custom message in that they have variables that stand and collect information from you when you fill the form, and then using the information, the program then fills in parts of the message so that each and every person will receive a message with their name on it. So let's create such a message. It's a nice way for us to introduce the input function. So we want to create a program. So this program will enable us to get information from the user. Then after getting information from the user, it then gives the user a certain message. Okay, but the message will be filled with the information that the user has given us. Okay, so using the input function, it allows us to capture message, to capture information from the user. So this is how. Let's say we want to collect information such as the name, so we have to put name, okay, and then we equal, let's create a variable code name. But in this variable code name, we cannot directly pass the name of the user because we don't have the user for now. We want the user to pass their information on their own. We don't know the names of the user that we are going to meet in the street. Okay, so when we create a variable code name, the variable is going to be a string, but we want to capture information from the user and then assign it to the variable code name. So we are going to say name is equal to, we pass down the function called input. Okay, so using this function called input, it allows us to get information from the user when they run the program. So input, we are going to tell the user to enter. The input function accepts strings. Okay, but these strings will be shown. It's like a print function, but it's a print function. It prints, and then when printing, it's taking information from the user. You understand it better maybe a minute later. So input, we are telling the user to enter the name, enter your name. Okay, we close the quotation marks and then close the bracket, then we hit enter. So when you start the program is going to say, hey user, please tell us your name. Okay, so that we can store it in the name variable. Then age is equal to input, hey user, input, do this input, enter your age. Okay, enter. Then we also want to create, we also want to ask their gender. So sex is input, please user, tell us. Okay, enter your what? Enter your gender. I don't know the difference between sex and gender, forgive me. Okay, so okay, let's say city. We want to ask the user to tell us which city does he or she live. Input, please tell us. Enter your, which city do you live? Which city do you live? Okay. Enter, let's put this capital letter E. Okay, so when the program starts, it's going to ask, what is your name? Enter your name. Okay, you can also say what is your name. You can also say what is your name. What is your, let's say what is your name. Let's not say enter your name. Okay, so that we don't repeat the same. What is your name? Okay, Okay, so it's going to ask the user, what is your name? The user is going to put the name, then enter your age, they're going to enter their age, then enter your age, they're going to enter their age. Which city do you live in? They're going to tell us. Then after that, we have to create a message in form of a string, but the message has to accept the inputs, or it has to accept these variables. We have to find a way to put the variables inside our message. So this is how you do it in Python. You write F and then you open quotation marks, then you say, you write your message hello, then you open curly brackets, hello. Then when you open curly brackets, you pass down the variable that you want to follow after hello. Then we put name, okay, remember no spaces, name, hello, then name. Okay. You are, we open curly brackets, then we want to age, okay, tells us age. You are 22, you are this years old, full stop. Okay. You are a male, then you are a, then we have to pass down the sex. Okay. You are a, okay, there's too much space right there. But yes, let's make space. You are who lives in, we pass down the what? We pass down the city. Okay, we close this. So this is how you do it. Okay, so let's run our program. Okay, let's run our program. Okay, so what is your name? I forgot to let me stop this. Okay, I forgot, sorry about that. I forgot to put question marks. What is your name? Question mark. Question mark. Where is the question mark? Okay. Yeah, which city do you? Question mark. Okay, so let's rerun this. Okay, so it says, what is your name in a proper way? So you fill in there. This is my name, Morrison Skosana. Then I hit enter. Enter your age. I am, let's say, 55 years. Enter. Enter your gender. I am male. Enter. Then which city do you live in? Harare. Harare. Yes. Then I hit enter. Okay, so as you have seen there, I filled in the information, all the information, but I forgot to print out the message. Okay, so let's go back to our program right there, and then we want to use the print function that we have used when we did the hello world to print the message. So we say print, we open brackets, then message. Remember, when you are printing, the message is a variable, so when you are printing it, you don't put quotation marks. So let's run the program again. Okay, what is your name? This is my name. When I hit enter. Age 55. Enter. Enter your gender, male. Enter. Which city do you live in? Harare. Enter. Okay, so it says, hello Morrison Skosana, you are 55 years old, you are a male who lives in Harare. I forgot to put a full stop there. Right there. Okay, so this is how you do it. This is our custom message right there. So thank you very much. Let's meet in our next video.